Wireless devices are very common in physiotherapy rehabilitation because when it comes to wireless, there is no voice. So if you don't have a voice where you have a lot of option to do some kind of functional exercises, and also this type of wireless device will be very useful for the patients where they can operate themselves for any kind of pain management. And also like it will be very easy to operate for any kind of conditions because they have designed simply to use. It's a very easy operative devices. So here we have EM5200 device where it comes with remote wireless operations. EM5200 is a wireless TENS NMS combo device. We can use up to 15 programs where it has 9 TENS programs and 6 EMS programs. And also like it will be useful for stimulating the pain relief as well as where we can use it for pain management, muscle relaxation, muscle strengthening. So it also has each remote modes. This device has specially designed with a USB port where you can charge like a mobile phone. So this is a very good option for the therapist as well as the patient to charge easily. And also the charging capacity is very high where you can use up to 4 hours. So now I'm just going to show you like how you need to operate EM5200. The first thing, this is a remote where you can on the device. So this is a remote where you can operate the two modules. Once you need to on the module by pressing the long press, and also like once the module has been on, you can get a green light. So you can on the both modules. So there will be like module 1 and module 2. It comes with 7 programs where you can customize all the programs, like 9 EMS programs. If you see the remote has the 1 and 2 options where you can access the first module and the second module. It comes with 9 TENS programs and 6 EMS programs where you can specifically see over the remote. So once you have just pressed the program where it shows in the TENS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When it comes to EMS where it shows like A, B, C, D, E, F. When it comes to TENS where it shows 1 to 9 modes. When it comes to EMS it shows like in alphabets like A to F. So in this where you can choose any parameter depends upon the condition as well as it depends upon the treatment. So they use the waveform asymmetrical rectangular biphasing pulse, and also where it also has an adjustment of 0 to 100 milliamps where the intensity where you can choose it from 1 to 20 points. The timer will be continuous where you can choose the time depends on the patient. It also comes with an electrodes of iStim where the electrodes looks very durable. It comes with the 2 pins where you can just plug in the module. You can directly apply in the specific region of the patient. This EM5200 is a completely wireless rechargeable battery, very simple to use operate device. It also has another model where the remote doesn't come. So in this module where you can directly apply the patient with 2 straps. To on the device where you can give a power start holding for up to 2 to 3 seconds. Once the device is on, where you can increase the intensity and decrease the intensity depends on the plus and minus. After that you can add the electrodes and you can place it on the patient treatment area. It has been manufactured by Everywhere Medicals, that has been marketing by Synergy. Synergy is a one-stop solution for all your physio and rehab needs.